Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna open this box. It is really cute. And this is from Jane Zoo. Really cute. Let's open it. That's a beautiful box. That's a beautiful box. Let's open it. I got a bear. It's a bear and he's in this bag. It's in the bag. Now let's open it. Here it is. Do we have any batteries? Yep, let's go change his batteries. And it became with this. It's really cute. It became with this piece of paper here. Let's go change his batteries. Here we go. I changed his batteries. And it's tagged, and it's made by Angel Toy. And it has 2 buttons. And he's holding a heart. Let's push his button and see if he works. Hold on, I think I changed the batteries wrong. Here we go, I push his buttons and he works. I think the batteries are a little bit crooked here. Let's push the button. And it became with his ribbon on his head. He sings "Let Me Call You Sweetheart." And let's push his other button. And he just talks. Here we go. I push his button and he says, "Sweetheart, I love you," and he sings, "Kiss me, my sweetheart." So here is the unboxing video, and I got this bear. He works, and the batteries are a little bit crooked. That's why it's not working. Here it is. So here's the video about this unboxing video. So goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a good spring.